How to disconnect Instagram account from Facebook. Let's begin. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom right to head to your profile page. Then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Account Center at the top. Now click on the profiles. You will see a list of linked accounts. Go ahead and select the Facebook account you want to disconnect. Then tap on the Facebook account name again to view its settings. Lastly, find the Sync Profile Info option and toggle the switch to off position. Lastly, confirm your action when prompted. And that's it. You have successfully disconnected Instagram account from Facebook.